Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and watching CGHOW video. Today I created this stylized projectile effect in UE 5.1 Niagara, and I have already created it, but I will create it again. And we have also some user parameters like this. We can pixelate this also, so you can make this more stylized, more toonish. So we have lots of parameter here. I'll show you how I created this. Actually, I will create that again from scratch for you guys. So this is the effect I have created already, and this is the instance material. Then we have this master material. This is the master material. Let's do it again. So I'll put the original file also in my Patreon and also the new one that I'm just creating now. So this is project file. What do you have to do? You have to create a material M Pro projectile. To make a stylized like a three colors, there are lots of ways to do that. So let's learn something new here. So I have a pause process on here. Let me turn that off. So in here, let me turn it off. Okay. So if you have a texture, noise, any texture you have, okay, you can make this texture pixelate, or you can make this texture like layers of this blurriness. So I'll show you what I'm saying. So you have this texture like on planar, and there's a thing. If you have a texture coordinate,